This is a quick demo to Aziggy's buzzer mode. If you're looking to host a quiz using an online buzzer, you've come to the right place. To get started, we first have to give our room a name. In this case, I'll just give it the name Buzzer Demo. You want to make sure that your room names are short and sweet. After I've done that, I have to confirm that my capacity is set to the appropriate amount. In this case, by default, the free plan includes up to 30 participants per room, but if I need more, I'd have to upgrade. After that, I have to go through and make sure that all the right options I want are selected. So we have the option to play sound on buzz, to enable scoring, to enable text responses, so your participants don't have to verbally say their responses. They can just type them in, and when they buzz, the response will show up on your end. And then we have the option to enable teams. For this example's sake, I'll disable teams to keep it short, but team functionality exists if you'd like to integrate teams into your game. Once I've created the room, you'll notice that there's a couple of different ways with which I can share this room link with my participants. I can either directly copy the link and share it with them in a Zoom or Google Meet chat if I'm hosting this event virtually, or I can project this onto a screen, either over Zoom if the event's virtual, or if it's in person, onto an actual screen, and have my participants use their mobile devices to scan in using the QR code. So I'll actually do exactly that in this case. I'm going to go ahead and scan the QR code on the screen and join on my phone that way. So you'll see that once I join, I appear as a player on the left-hand side. As I said, there's a couple different options that we've enabled, one of them being scoring. So since scoring is enabled, I can make sure I can go ahead and add points to myself, and you'll see that on all of the participants' interfaces, the point values actually update right there. So since I've allotted 5 points to myself, it appears on my phone as well. And whenever your participants are ready to buzz, they can go ahead and click buzz, and you'll see that my phone shows up on my screen instantaneously. If you want to, lock a buzzer before you unlock it, maybe you're reading a question, and once you finish the question, you want to unlock a buzzer. That functionality exists as well. So you want to click locked, and once the buzzers are locked, it shows up as locked on my screen, and immediately once I unlock it, I'll be able to buzz on the phone. So as a host, you can ask a question like, "What's the capital of France?" and unlock the buzzer. And immediately once you do so, your participants can buzz in on their mobile devices, and they can give the answer as Paris. And if you'd like to, you can award them points. That's the basic functionality. Also note that because we've enabled text responses, your participants can answer using the text box that's on the screen. So I can actually enter Paris on my phone, and when I hit buzz, you can see that on my computer as a host, you'll notice that the answer appears right there on the screen. So you don't have to manage, if you have a lot of participants, you won't have to manage individually asking them what their answer is. They can directly enter the answer, and it'll be visible to you on the screen. So it's a very good user interface. And for any reason, if you want to access that QR code again, all you have to do is click this little share icon, and it'll pop up again if you want to share the room to other people. And the last thing I want to say is, if you want to click clear buzzes, it's a very simple thing. So I'm going to join again. I accidentally left on my phone, but if I join again on my phone, you'll notice that if I go ahead and buzz, there's a couple different ways that you can clear a buzz. One is you can clear all buzzes using that red button, or you can individually clear a buzz using the X. And on the player column, if I were to click the X, I can kick any players out. So if I click that X, you'll notice that the player's redirected to the home screen, and they've been kicked out of the room, and you can see the same on the host interface. So that's very useful if someone accidentally joins with the wrong name, or someone unwanted joins your room. That's basically the core functionality of Aziggy's buzzer mode. And if you have any other questions and you want to suggest some features, or you have some important feedback to offer, please do email me at hello@azigy.com. That's HELLO@azigy.com. Thank you.